I'm talking to these bitches like a hoe do. Hey, why these niggas talk?
Hey, Two Siders back at it again with another fucking video. My nigga Slow Dre. Hey, follow my nigga. If you ain't in the vlog, nigga, you a sucker. But hey, I'm here, so hey, follow my boy.
Alright, we're going to the first spot. Catch you guys. Yeah, I just talk over there at the next spot. Like miles away, because cops already blocked that side over there. And I'm pretty sure they're gonna start towing cars, so yeah, I'm not gonna. Hell no, I'm not gonna do that shit again. But yeah, guys, if you guys haven't subscribed right now, because you know what I do. Crazy ass videos every week. Cops are right there. So yeah, we're gonna run to the spot so we can get like a good view. Yeah. Ooh, I'm out of breath. We got dirt back up here. Yeah, as usual, his mission's always fat, you know. As soon as we got here, they already dipping. Wow. Yeah, we're going to the next spot. Alright, guys, we got here pretty early, so we're just gonna wait for everybody to come out. What happened, Jonathan? I nut a lot. In my face or where? In my titties.
I love your titties.
Yo, we got a horse over here. Yeah, we're gonna pop for an hour. Alright, cops got here already. So yeah. Woo! I got hella fun. What up, bro?
What's up with you, bro?
What's up? Alright guys, we got here to this pit spot thing. Cop is chilling somewhere right here, so I'm pretty sure he's gonna get burnt out. But I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I I guess 5-0 came, but I didn't get shut down freeway, so it's gonna be lit.
I feel like I'm on Fox News reporting live. Fox News reporting. Mamas.
Why just get pulled over? We always get pulled over. He's right behind us.
Little bitch.
I pull a sword.